Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here today. I am so excited. I have my Beautylish Lucky Bag. This is my first one. I saw everybody opening them last year and I made notes in my calendar. If you don't know what it is, Beautylish is an online cosmetic store, kind of like a Sephora or an Ulta, but they carry really nice brands. And they, once a year on December 26th, you go on and you can order this box and it goes so quickly. It sells out so quickly. As a matter of fact, I have the regular Beautylish box because I went on and I got the XL box and I had it in my cart, and as I was checking out, it sold out. But I was so glad to still be able to get the regular box. And it was $75 plus you pay $10 shipping and handling. But usually from the other boxes I've seen, you get at least twice your value. So I can't wait to get in here and see what I've got. This literally just landed on my doorstep and I am so excited. So the outside of the box looks like this. And when you open it, it's just so pretty. Isn't it pretty, guys? And I heard Yay or Nay Nicole say that if you're careful with the paper, it's just folded and it wraps the prettiest of gifts. So let's get in here and see what I've got. Once you open it, it has a little bit of black paper protecting it. And then you can see inside the box. A lot of the things that I do month to month are the same, and I still look forward to Boxycharm and Ipsy and all of those and seeing what I've got, but it's so nice to have something completely different. And I also got today, and it's sitting right over there waiting for me to tape, my first trend mood. So, right, I'm going to take this baggie right out of here, and this is what I've got, and we'll find out. But she's right, this paper would make a lovely gift-wrapped present. And on the back of this tag that you could see hanging in it when I opened it, it says, "Lucky bags are a Japanese New Year's custom that inspired us to create our own. The crane on this year's lucky bag symbolizes longevity and good luck. We hope the surprises inside make your 2020 a little more lucky." Trying to get this open is just like a Christmas present. All right, I received Good Molecules Instant Cleansing Balm. Now, I have seen that a lot of other people have gotten Good Molecules. I think everybody probably got one Good Molecules product, and this is what mine looks like because it is a Beautylish brand. And I believe that most of the products in the brand are less than $20. So they're a really good buy. And this says on the back, "Using the enclosed spatula, scoop out a generous amount and apply to dry skin. Massage into skin with gentle circular motions, rinse with water, or wipe away with a damp cloth." And I'm so excited because I just took a minute to read the ingredients, and it's something that I can use. And I love a cleansing balm. I am just finishing up my Drunk Elephant Sleigh, so I will be happy to try this. It's so pretty. That is the top. And that is what the front looks like. And it's just going to be an oil. This is one of the things that I use before I use a second cleanse. And it's just literally, it's a white balm. Let's just put a little bit on the back of my hand here and see what we think. Oh my goodness, it melts in. It's so nice and creamy. Oh wow. It smells just very clean, slightly floral. Was there a flower in it? It has a slight floral smell. It says that it has camellia seed oil in it, so that perhaps could be what it is. Oh my goodness. It smells so good. I will do like I do in so many of my videos, and I will put the price down here for you and let you guys know at the end what the value of the box was. Bearing in mind, I paid $75 for the box and then also $10 to ship it. I have an Oribe Après Beach Wave and Shine Spray, and this is 1 ounce. I actually just opened one of these in my last Birchbox, and I love the Oribe product, so I am happy to have that. I have a R&Co Spiritualized Dry Shampoo Mist. That is intriguing, and it's just literally, it's a liquid. But it's a dry shampoo. Well, that's going to be fun to try. I have never tried this. Fun. Okay, next I have Becca Velvet Blurring Primer Perfecting Base Apricot Haze. So that is what that looks like. I have never tried this either. I am so excited to try these. And again, after a quick look at the ingredients, this is something I can use. I'm just so excited. It's not a see-through bottle. It's kind of gray and matte, almost has a silicone-y feel. And that is what it looks like. Let's see what we got. I did when you bought the box, they gave you the opportunity to say whether you were light and medium or dark. And I said I was light to medium. So that's how it came out. It's very wet, but the color is nice. It's kind of a nice apricot-y color, which is great because that covers up like dark circle colors, and has almost no smell. It's not really silicone-y. This is a fantastic feel. I love it. I can't wait to try it. I will absolutely review these and get back to you. I'm going to get so much better at doing my empties and my favorites. I have only watched a couple of these bags, but I have not seen this variation, and that makes it so much fun. Next, I have the Hourglass Confession Ultra Slim High Intensity Refillable Lipstick. And I have it in At Night. Ooh. So that is what the box looks like. Let's see what it looks like. Nicole did get one of these, so look how pretty this is. I mean, how gorgeous is that to take out of your purse when you're out in the evening to... Oh, it's a gorgeous color. Look how pretty that is. Oh, guys, I have lips on? Yes. Let me just... Oh, wow. That is so pretty. And it's a nice cool color, so it's going to work great for me. I just can't even with this box, guys. It is so nice. This has got some nice heft and weight to it, and it's a nice creamy look. I don't know if you can tell that. You know, you spend $85 on a box having no idea what the value is, and I still don't really know what the value is, but I do know that so far I have opened 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things, and I can use them all. Okay, I have a couple of more things in here. I have a brush. It's a Wayne Goss brush, and it's one of the ones that, it's the little pencil brush that you can use under your eyes. Oh, it feels so good. Or you can use in the corners. I don't have any Wayne Goss brushes, so this is a new for me. So soft. I mean, so incredibly soft. I feel like, be cool, Catherine. Act like you've been there before. Next, I have I feel like I've had this box. Cover FX Glitter Drops. And I have this one in Aurora. Let's see what this is. I had this, I think, in gold. Oh, this one is the pure crystal white one. This is the one thing that I am not going to swatch right now because I'm not sure I'm going to keep it because that is a lot of shine for me. But it's still a great product, and if I don't like it, it will be great in a giveaway. And last but not least, and I am looking down at it, and all I can see is the back through the bubble wrap, so I know what it is, but I don't know whose it is. And it is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Riviera palette. And I know this is not a new palette, but I don't have it. When it came out, I stayed so on the fence about it because I love Anastasia. I have the Modern Renaissance, the Soft Glam. I love the Anastasia palettes. But when this one came out, I worried it was too bright. It's so bright and pretty. So I talked myself into and out of it a million times. And it is very bright, but it is gorgeous. Look how pretty those are. Those pops of color are going to be fantastic. I'm so excited. All right, guys, so that is my first Beautylish lucky bag, and I do feel so very lucky. And you should be seeing right here what my total value is. I don't know what it is yet, but I absolutely feel like I got my money's worth. I got this Anastasia Riviera palette, which I am beyond excited to have. The Becca apricot primer, which I can't wait to try, a Wayne Goss pencil brush, the Cover FX glitter drops, the beautiful Hourglass lippy that is refillable, and that is very intriguing to me. The Good Molecules Instant Cleansing Balm, which I am really excited to try because they have a whole line of this brand that Beautylish does that I am anxious to try and see if it's something that I like. And then for samples, I got the Oribe Après Beach Wave and the R&Co Spiritualized Dry Shampoo, which is really intriguing since it's a mist. Love it. So thank you so much for being here. If you're new to the channel, I hope you'll subscribe. We'd love to see you some more. And I will see you guys really soon. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out. And I will see you guys really soon. Go out and have a lucky 2020. Bye, guys.